How to edit page titles in Squarespace. So in order to do that, you first need to head over right here into your actual website or pages. To go over to there, you need to head over to your website options, click on pages, and you can find right here all of the pages that you can actually edit. So to edit your page title, for example, in this case, we have weddings, corporate events, and private parties. So we also have this right here. And if you wish to edit its page title, proceed to click onto this cog icon right here. It will open this window. And in here, we can see our page title. So for example, right here, I'll input right here, private events. So you can just input whatever title you wish for this. You can also change its title on the navigation, as well as change its blog. Now head over and click on save right here. And after that, the changes that you have made will be added or will be reflected right there. So that's how you edit page titles in Squarespace. Hope we help.